To make this recipe, the ingredients you need are a can of crescent rolls, sliced cheese, and sliced ham. First, you roll out your crescent dough. Once your dough is rolled out, you want to pinch together the seams so that there are no gaps. Now, you want to add slices of ham. You can also substitute this out for your favorite sliced deli meat. Next, we add the cheese. You can also substitute with your favorite cheese as well. Then you want to add one more layer of ham. These are thin slices. Now you want to roll it up, making sure you roll it tight as you can. Packing the meat and cheese as well. Make sure your seams stay together as you're rolling. If not, you can just pinch them back together. Once you're finished rolling, you want to set your roll seam side down and wrap it in plastic wrap and leave it in the refrigerator overnight. Now it's time to unroll the dough, which has been refrigerating overnight. Cut into approximately 1/4 inch slices. Then place them on a lined baking sheet. And continue cutting. Place into a 375-degree oven for 10 minutes.
Look at that ooey gooey perfection. They're almost ready.
Transfer to a pan and allow them to cool.
Once your pinwheels have cooled, you can put them onto a decorative platter and you are ready to serve them. Here is how I served mine. How will you serve yours? Thanks for watching.